Thank you for your time. One of the questions that we've been getting is, what is the map? The map is a map of Australia made up of the keywords for transformation of knowledge worker roles and knowledge worker services. Those that are highlighted in bold are the key themes. The ICT, the Information Communications Technology, is representative of the island of Tasmania. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.